everyone. So this tutorial is for the benefit of everybody, and then if most of the times, so I faced the challenge, and then that was what someone made the courage to be able to try to do this training. I know thousands of Windows users are facing this challenge as well. So you know for instance, if you are facing or your laptop is lagging, means it's dragging or it's slow, your processor is not fast, and then you don't have money for engineer, you understand. So there are some stuff that little inbuilt applications that you can apply by just pressing your keyboard. That's what I want to put us through. Okay, so it has to do with just 2 steps. So the first step goes with press your window button. Okay, then press CMD. So if you press your CMD, so this is what is going to come out. Don't run it automatically. You right click on the CMD prompt command. Okay, then you run as an administrator. You get, so when you run as an, it's going to ask you a question. User access yes. Okay, so when the CMD box come up itself, so this is the first thing you need to do. The first thing you need to do is to press SFC /scan now. So automatically, so it's going to scan every system, and whenever there is a virus, you understand, it's going to come out well. So no more a virus attacking your system, and no more. It's going to take time anyway. So let's just do that. Let's wait and see. Time is coming up. So it's scanning the system now. So if you want something like this, if you want the video like this, you want me to be dropping as soon as possible, just let me know. Or in case of anything you want, if you have any question regarding this, you get. So it's scanning the system. So when it's done, you understand, so you need to restart the system. This is scanning. It's going to take time, but I don't want